This is two-step equations practice. You are going to do problems 4 through 6 with the video. I want you to do it on paper. And then problems 1 through 3 will be assigned and graded in Google Classroom. I'll make a Google form for those. So 4, 5, and 6. Let's do those now. Okay, 4 two-step equations. This is a two-step equation because it has subtraction that you need to get rid of and it has multiplication that you need to get rid of. First thing, get rid of the subtraction by adding 7 to both sides. 3 over 7p equals 12. By the way, you did a really good job on the assignment before. The first problems were easy, but this problem here, 4 over 9k plus 13 equals negative 5, only 3 out of 19 of you got that one correct. So that's why I'm having us practice some more. So let's practice those now. So we got rid of the subtraction by adding 7 on both sides. Now, we have a fraction in front of a variable. The rule is, to get rid of a fraction in front of a variable, you multiply by the reciprocal. There is a connection to keep, change, flip, because we're doing the opposite of multiplying a fraction. So this right here that I'm highlighting in yellow, this is multiplying a fraction. To get rid of multiplying a fraction by the variable p, you divide by a fraction. When you divide by a fraction, the steps are keep, change, flip. So you're keeping 3 over 7's the same, keeping this part the same here. And then you're changing to multiplication and you're flipping that to get the reciprocal. So you multiply by the reciprocal on both sides. These all cancel, and you've isolated the variable p. And now you can do some cross-canceling here. It looks like 12 divided by 3 is 4. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 4 times 7 is 28. Now check 28 in that. Three over 7 times 28 over 1 minus 7 equals 5. Cross cancel the 7 and the 28. That equals 1. That equals 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. Problem 5. You need to add 13 to both sides. 7 over 8c equals 40. Multiply by the reciprocal on both sides. These cancel. C equals, cross cancel here, and you get 1 and 5. 5 times 7 is 35. Now check it to see if it works. 7/8 times 35 minus 13. Will that equal 27? Let's check. Did you find my mistake? This is wrong. What did I do? What was my mistake? On this side, I multiplied by 8 over 7. On this side, I multiplied by 7 over 8. That is wrong. So I need to redo the whole problem. It's good for you to see me make mistakes though, because when you make mistakes, you just got to realize that it happens. Okay, add 13 on both sides. 7 over 8c equals 40. Multiply this by 8 over 7. Multiply this by 8 over 7. This all cancels. C equals 320 over 7, or 320 divided by 7. How many 7s in 32? Like 4, 28, 4, 0, 5, 35. So it looks like 45 and 5 over 7. Let me double check my answer key. Yes. Now to check this one, let's use 320 over 7 with the original problem. 7/8 times 320 over 7 minus 13 equals 27. So these will cancel, and then these will cancel. You know that there's 4 8s in 32, so you know there have to be 40 8s in 320. 40 minus 13 is 27. Okay, first step here, add 17 to both sides. Looks like 61. 9 over 10, n equals 61. Now multiply by 10/9, and on this side multiply by 10/9. 61 and 9 do not have any common factors, so multiply straight across. You get 610 over 9. These will all cancel. So n equals 610 over 9. And divide it out. 9 times 7 is 63, so you have to use 6 and 54. 9 times 7 is 63. So it looks like 67 and 7 over 9. Now let's use this to double check. Use 610 over 9. 9 over 10 times 610 over 9 minus 17 equals 44. You know this is going to cancel that 0. You know these will cancel. 61 minus 17 is 44. Is that true? Well, look up here and you can see that you've done that problem already. 61 minus 17 is 44. If you go backwards, you can see that that works out. Okay, I hope you worked the steps. Thank you.